Want to feel uplifted? Here's a powerful healing message you need today. Your wound is not your identity. What will you do about that? Will your life be defined by the scars left behind, or will it be about the strength you found in healing? Which comes first, the brokenness or the breakthrough? And as I've said, anyone who truly finds peace must have a measure of forgiveness, the ability to release the pain until it no longer has power over you. How do you find this peace? You must die to the narrative that you are permanently damaged. Fall in love with the process of mending. Never allow your worth to be measured by your wounds. Let your value be found in the courage it takes to heal. Find solace in words that soothe the soul. Connect with Scripture and do it daily. And when you feel the urge to speak of your pain, speak of the lessons it taught you. If you must be silent, let it be because you are listening to the quiet wisdom within, not the noise of despair. Find words that bring comfort and read them until they become a part of you. Restoring your spirit is a divine journey. Faith and patience make the path clear. When someone dismisses your struggle or judges your pace of healing, look at them with compassion. Forgive them, for they do not understand your path. When a soul is wounded, it begins its journey in darkness, seeing only the hurt. What a broken heart sees is a world of pain. But with time and with grace, that same soul will learn to see the light that was always there, appreciating the journey it once resented. Feel the warmth of hope settling in your spirit. Trust that healing is not just a distant dream, but a present reality, unfolding within you spiritually and emotionally. If you stop your healing because those who are blind to your progress cannot see it, you rob yourself of a future peace. Once their own eyes are opened, they will look back and ask you why you gave up on the beautiful process of becoming whole again. Share your favorite healing words below and follow for more spiritual inspiration.